Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to open YouTube Studio on PC. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. So if you want to manage and optimize your YouTube videos and content, you'll have to access the YouTube Studio. Accessing it is actually very simple. Once you open YouTube, over here you'll be able to find the profile icon. If you do not find it over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for YouTube Studio and click on it. Now you can see over here YouTube Studio will be opened. From here you'll be able to access the channel dashboard. Also you'll be able to analyze your content, analytics, community, etc. Likewise, there's also direct way in order to access the YouTube Studio. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in studio.youtube.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here YouTube Studio will directly be opened. So like this, you'll be able to open the YouTube Studio. So that is how you open YouTube Studio on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.